Hello friends, this is Sumit and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex, Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone, rather we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started this special sex educational show called Sex, Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your questions related to your sexual life and Dr. Vijay Daifale will solve your problem in very positive manner. But before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Daifale in detail. Dr. Vijay Daifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Daifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology. So friends, now that you all know about Dr. Vijay Daifale's various clinics, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Daifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai and specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and you can take positive consultation. Now let's start the show. We have Doctor here with us. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sumit.
Doctor, we are speaking about sexual dysfunction.
Yeah.
And sir, you have received lot of questions on your email, on your WhatsApp. And even sir, we have received lot of questions on the videos that we always share on the various social media platforms like Facebook or YouTube. And sir, due to public demand, because of public demand, you have selected this special and this is this very important topic. And sir, erectile dysfunction is a part of sexual dysfunction.
Definitely.
So sir, what is role of vacuum erected devices, also known as VEDs, in this erectile dysfunction basically?
Definitely.
So sir, what are VEDs? What are these vacuum erected devices? Please tell us.
Okay. Sumit, in this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are taking detailed scientific information about sexual dysfunction, premature ejaculation, small size penises and implants also. So many times what happens, if medicines are not working, we are going for next technologies like a VED, called as the vacuum erection devices. Before that, I will give one disclaimer: time, place, person, condition, culture, safety, and consenting and our own and known partner. We have to try it. If suppose this is not working, this medicine is not working, and suppose patient is having some complication, in that case, there is one system in which vacuum is required to suck the blood inside the cylinder, and that cylinder maintains the erection, and that ring we have to put it at the base of penis. And this type of devices, how they are useful, what is mechanism, how it is working, definitely we will see one by one.
Definitely sir. Then what is mechanism of this vacuum erection devices? Please tell us.
Correct. This mechanism is very important. Few patients not having fullness of this penis due to obstruction, vascular insufficiency, the flow is not going inside. In such a cases, one cylindrical tube which is attached to the body operator pump or hand operated pump, that is attached, and negatively that all air is taken out from that vacuum, and what it does, it pulls the blood inside the penis. It erects the penis, and to maintain that erection, you have to put on a ring at base of the penis, and then he has to perform that sexual activity after removing this tube or this vacuum tube. So this is the mechanism of action and how they can enjoy their sexual life.
Definitely sir. Regarding this particular topic, I would like to ask you a few more questions, but we have first caller on the show. We have Prabhakar from Vadala. Can we take that call?
Definitely.
Prabhakar, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, due to vacuum erection, device can you prolong ejaculation?
Okay.
This is a very nice question.
Yes sir.
Means you want to achieve erection, but only achievement of erection is not sufficient. You have to prolong your sexual duration also. Is it possible with this? Yes, it is possible. Why? When you erect the penis, to maintain that, you have to slip that ring at the root of penis. What that ring does, it compresses partially the corpora, but it is not painful that much. So it is a pleasure and comfortable, and in that time it compresses the urethra also from ventral aspect. So when the person is performing for 10 or 15 minutes, due to mechanical obstruction over there, that semen is obstructed, and definitely this prolongs duration. In the cases those who are with premature ejaculation, it is also very nicely controlled, and this is a good use of this ring, but some precautions are there that we can discuss it again.
Definitely. Sir, we are speaking about vacuum erection devices.
Sure.
And sir, now I would like to ask you is, are there any side effects of this particular device? Please tell us.
Excellent. So why supervision is required? Why sexology, urology and andrology are required for the decision? Because see, when you are giving a suction, there is one limit. You should not suck it for a longer time. You should not do overfill. Second thing, when you slip down that ring, what happens? After your sexual activity, some people may forget that ring. Then what will happen? That blood column will restrict over there. It will cause pain, it will cause swelling. Sometimes at the site of ring, there will be bruising or redness. So friends, in such a cases, by advice of sexologist or andrologist, immediately after your act, you have to take out that ring, clean it, dry it and keep it in that box. So this is one of the complication, bruising or pain at local site.
Definitely. Sir, moving ahead. Sir, can length of the penile is increased due to these devices?
This device, Most important mechanism we have seen, it only pulls the blood in the corpora. But some people get some misconception that for increment of penis size, for enlargement of penis, this is also useful. No, this is something confusion. Why happens? This is a temporary pulling of a blood inside the corpora, and temporary it is field lined by the ring, it is obstructed. So definitely erected penis will look like a longer one. But whatsoever the strength, whatsoever the stretching capacity of penis is there, that much only it can be pulled out. So you should remember, this only erects the penis and maintain for that long time which is required, but this should not be more than 15 minutes. And then after taking out the ring, again the penis goes back to normal. So friends, don't confuse it. It is only for the temporary erection purpose, not for increment of size.
Definitely. Sir, we have one more caller on the show. We have Tapasvi from Kolhapur.
Sure,
can we take that call?
Definitely,
Tapasvi, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Is there any role of vacuum device in getting orgasm in females?
Excellent.
Okay.
So whenever we discuss for males, then females are very active, they should involve in this.
Yes, sir.
What happens? Only by doing the vaginal sex, so many partners doesn't get satisfied, because G point is spreaded from the clitoris to the labia minora to the distal part of vagina. In few cases, there are some suction devices or vacuum devices which are available, and that are used for the pulling of the blood inside the clitoris, because unless and until that clitoris is stimulated, definitely they don't get the orgasm. And when you stimulate it for longer time along with the vaginal sex, so definitely such type of devices are available, but only with legal permission and by the advice of sexologists, urologists and andrologists, you can go for its use.
Definitely. Sir, we are speaking about vacuum erection devices. Sir, when we speak about such kind of devices, there is always one question that arises, are these devices safe or not? And sir, what precaution that is important to take for using this particular device, please tell us.
Definitely. So first you have to learn it from that trainer or from that sexologist, urologist, andrologist or whosoever training person is there, how much is the suction pressure, how much pressure after application you have to put that ring over there for how much of time. So these are the safety measures. There should not be any type of hairs in surrounding, because that suction will leak from there. Then when put in a ring over there, after finishing act, you have to remove that ring. You should not sleep with that ring, so that it should not cause complication by pressure on that, bruising or any type of erosion. If suppose such type of precaution you will take, definitely you can use this device for temporary purposes, not for longer time.
Definitely. Sir, one last question, and definitely this question is not least question. So sir, are there any devices like vacuum or suction devices available for female?
Excellent. Now indirectly you are going on sex toys. Basically in country to country the rules are different. If legally they are allowed in your country and made with a very nice material, then only you can use for it. What is the use of it? So such type of suction devices, or they are associated with vibrator also. That what I was describing, only by vaginal sex they don't got orgasm. In such a cases, such a vibrator is applied to the clitoris or to the G point. What does this vibrator is? This vibration creates a contraction in the phloem floor. Along with the contraction of this phloem floor due to vaginal sex, at that time they get a proper orgasm. So only legally permissible safe devices as a suction device or vibrator device they can use for this sexual activity for getting orgasm. And friends, do all these things in your legal forms, legal norms, and you can enjoy your sexual life very nicely.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for sharing this valuable information. But sir, due to time constraint, we have to stop here. In this particular episode, but definitely we will meet in one more episode with new topic and important information. But friends, you can also take Dr. Vijay Daivale's consultation. There are various contact details available right on your screen. And there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Daivale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai, and specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Well friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.